school counselors if they do nothing. Like my friend wanted to kill herself. All they did was tell her parents. Guess what her parents did?
Nothing they did, fucking nothing.
Like, if we're gonna do nothing, then why are you here? And I had a conflict with a girl and the counselor just told us to put the past in the past. That didn't work. Now I want to be a counselor.
So that I can actually fucking help people.
Sigh. If you need to vent, PLs do in the comments. I can almost guarantee that your school counselor will do nothing. Nilla out.